effects. Voila! The plain mascara turns into a bright star fruit. Attach a glue stick of the appropriate size to the mascara. We will need 5 sticks. Cut off the edges. Increase the glue stick ribs with hot glue. Smooth them out with the hot nozzle of the gun. Melt the glue over a candle a little. Dip your fingers in water and correct the shape. Use a heated knife to make a cut where the cap joins the tube to let the mascara open. Paint it with yellow enamel. Color it with green and yellow acrylic paint, dabbing with a sponge when the enamel dries. Finish with a coat of clear nail polish. The paradise fruit will make your eyes shine. Our makeup collection turns into a fruit basket, step by step. An orange, a star fruit. We can do real tropical makeup. Fruit magic spreads over the entire house. What kind of mysterious fruit is over there on the mantelpiece? It's a pomegranate, and foundation is hidden inside. Take foundation with a pump. Cut in half a foam plastic ball. Make a hole in the middle to fit the same size of the bottle. Put in the foundation and hot glue the ball halves. Wrap the ball with dark red felt. Fasten the fabric with multi-purpose glue. Cut off the excess following the shape of the ball. Leave the corners on top. Don't attach the fabric near the pump up to the top. Cut a few triangles out of a light yellow foam rubber sheet and hot glue them to the inside of the felt. Paint the foam plastic and the pump in the same light yellow color. Cut off the excess and shape the top corners into sharp-shaped leaves. Glue red half beads to the visible part of the foam plastic. It will look like pomegranate seeds. You can squeeze foundation instead of juice out of this fruit. Brilliant idea and a great disguise for your favorite foundation. The fruit magic has an awesome effect on everyone, even our neighbor. But she isn't satisfied with her bright fruit makeup. The paradise bird look is not her cup of tea. She's going to remove her bright eye makeup. But where is my makeup remover? Someone's left a pineapple instead. Is it some kind of tropical feng shui? We will need a makeup remover with a cap that can screw off. Use foil to shape the bottle into a cylinder. Make small balls out of the foil and cut them in half. Hot glue the half balls to the bottle in a checkerboard pattern. Cut squares out of yellow felt and hot glue them tightly to the foil bumps. Attach the second layer of the squares, gluing each detail only on the bottom. Leave the top corner loose. Make the pineapple skin look realistic. Cover the bottom with a felt circle. Make the cap longer using the foil. Cut dark green felt into strips. Snip off the excess to shape long leaves. Make light green leaves in the same way. Cover the entire cap with the felt leaves, interchanging the colors. Start from the top and attach a piece of the dark felt to the top. Use the felt to cover all visible parts of the foil. My friend doesn't understand what she should do with the pineapple. It's simple. Squeeze some fresh juice out of it and remove your makeup. Because this is actually your makeup remover. And if the pineapple is not enough, Vicky will make another exotic fruit. She's going to turn her regular EOS into a lychee. Cover an EOS container with foam plastic crumbs all over. Paint it white and color it using a sponge and acrylic paint. Let it dry and add a shade of light green by dabbing it with a dry sponge. Any rain won't make us sad with this bright fruit makeup. We can imagine ourselves on a tropical island applying lychee to the lips and washing with pineapple juice. Collect a whole makeup crop. Did you like our weird makeup ideas? Then write in your comments which fruit you would like to apply as makeup. Orange face powder, pomegranate foundation, or starfruit mascara. And don't forget to give your thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new makeup ideas on the Troom Troom channel.